Oh shit! Yo. Rapers! What's good? It's your boy Laser. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. You guys already know the vibes are back with some more scary reaction videos. You've been loving scary content, so I continue to deliver that for you guys. In this video, we're going to be reacting to the most disturbing things caught on doorbell cameras. Those doorbell camera videos, guys. Oh man, they're absolutely terrifying. If you guys love these videos, you just want more videos like this, it's simply just hit that like button, you subscribe, turn noties on. Only takes less than a second. Let's dive straight into this video.
A Colorado liquor store was robbed twice
in
one night.
That's a Hummer,
according
dude.
to the owners, with surveillance cameras showing a Hummer ramming through the store windows.
Why though?
Two people got out of the vehicle.
Oh my God.
One of them going in to access the ATM.
This is why they
Since
discontinued
it was
Hummers?
bolted to the
Holy
ground,
shit.
The suspects determined the best way to loosen it would be to hit it with the vehicle, which they did.
Why did they break in with a Hummer though? Like they could have broken with like any, like a bat or whatever. They chose a whole ass Hummer. So what are they trying to steal? I know they went to like a, oh shit. I know they went to like a liquor store, but damn, bro, they're not stopping. Shit, that's crazy, dude. What's he holding? There's some like rope or whatever.
They then secured a chain around the ATM and
Oh,
the cryptocurrency
shit.
machine and tried to pull them out with the Hummer. Unfortunately for them, the chain snapped. They then tried to pull the machines out of the store with their bare hands.
Oh, they played themselves.
They were able to load the cryptocurrency machine into the bed of the truck, but after a third or fourth attempt of the ATM, they broke it apart and were able to make it out with the cash box.
Bro, no way. So the police, like, I'm sure they were on their way, but holy crap, they must have gotten caught. There's no way they didn't get caught. No fucking way, dude. Oh shit, this is like the... Oh damn, yep. Bro, these motherfuckers think it's GTA, dude. They're like in a whole GTA heist right now. These motherfuckers think they're in GTA, literally.
By the time the police showed up, the suspects were gone. When the owner showed up hours later, he was robbed yet again when someone went through the store and stole random merchandise.
Damn, so this guy, that store owner is like used to this shit. But those people didn't get caught? No way.
The uploader of this TikTok video says that their neighbors got robbed by two gunmen.
Oh god.
What?
Oh shit! Yo. My fucking ears. Holy dude. That noise was so unnecessary. My ears, oh, damn.
This person tried to steal the Ring doorbell camera from this home, but wasn't smart enough to realize that it was bolted on.
Why do people do this shit, bro? Like what the fuck are they trying to gain from this? No match, nothing, dude. Alright, so what is going on right now? Is anything... Okay then. Damn!
In this video, a strange man asks this homeowner if he can use the bathroom, but the homeowner says that he doesn't feel comfortable with him doing that.
Hey, my dude got a piss, bro.
Hey, how's it going, bud?
Sorry, it's going good. May I use your restroom?
Nah, but I don't feel comfortable with that. I'm sorry.
It's alright, it's cool.
Yeah, or do you live around here or something, or what?
No, I'm just in the area and I don't really have anywhere else to go.
Oh,
Just go in the bushes,
community
bro.
center might be okay, but I don't know you, bud. I'm not comfortable with that one. Sorry.
Sorry. Thank you.
Honestly, like, this guy didn't seem too skeptical, but at the same time, he could have just went in the bushes, dude. I mean, come on now.
Watch this attempted
Nobody's gonna
robber
care.
fail spectacularly at his mission.
Alright, so what's this bald-headed dude, bro? Bald-headed dude doing?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi, can I help you?
Oh, this guy just looks like trouble, bro. He's got
we
that
work
face.
around here.
Sorry, what?
And I work around here.
You work here?
Yeah.
Dude,
What are you doing?
they be
What are you
forgetting.
looking for?
They be forgetting the script all the time.
I worked for your brother before, a long time.
You don't even know what he's saying, bro.
I don't know. Are you looking for someone or can I help you with something?
Yeah, I do your driveway, do the step, do the tile before a long time.
Bro's just saying
Okay, I
shit out of his ass.
guess, you know, you might be working with the previous owner, but I don't know you. I don't recognize you.
Oh, okay. I am owned the house before. The
He said he
tile
owned this
in the
house
front
before?
of your house before a long time. And your daddy?
Oh, he said daddy. That's crazy. He don't even know about it. Yeah, he's definitely on drugs or something. Oh, no. He's definitely on something.
I'm sorry,
Wait, what?
Hello?
Does he have schizophrenia?
Hello?
Yes. Tell me. I'm not at home. Can I'll be there in some time. I don't know why
I'm
I'm
someone
but we...
tile the step before for your brother.
I forgot that they're able to operate these cameras like
In the front
without
house.
actually being home, if that makes sense. But I think this guy.
What
is
are you
home.
looking for? I'm sorry. I'm in a meeting right now, but can you tell me what are you looking for?
You know nobody house?
This man is just
now
using.
I'm outside. I'm going to be there in about 15-20 minutes. I'm out on a meeting. So I'll be home in 15-20 minutes.
Oh.
Okay?
NBC
Okay,
dial,
yeah.
bro.
Thank you.
Is he actually gonna walk away this time? He's gonna come back. I guarantee it. He's gonna come back. Or maybe not. Maybe he is walking away. Fucking weird, dude. Some people are just weird. You know?
According to this uploader, this man thought that he was going to break into their apartment.
Alright, he's approaching the camera. They all got that same ding sound, bro. I love that sound. Dun, dun, dun. You got the eyes. Oh my god, bro.
Can't answer the call right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Oh, dude, his face looks fucking creepy. Look at his eyes, dude. The way he was just staring. Yo, what's going on right now? Oh, snap.
The uploader says that they were asleep on the couch, and the incident scared them to death.
Damn. That's crazy.
At about 1 in the morning, this guy broke this homeowner's window, trying to get in.
1 in the morning, you said?
Unfortunately for him, the police were waiting just behind him on the street.
Bro just played himself. See, what are you even supposed to do? Yeah, I know his heart was beating. He's just ready to surrender himself, dude. The police are about to ask him what's up.
This is a classic case of instant karma.
I mean, like, what are you even supposed to do in that situation? Like, I was just checking out my neighbor's house, like...
Look at this incredibly disturbing lady trying to break into this person's house in the middle of the night.
Let's see. I can barely see because of the quality. Did they not lock their doors?
Hey, you need to leave.
Why?
Well, I'm not home.
You shot your pants. And you better let me cover them up. Go in there and cover them up. My son's name. Yeah. You better. I got you caught up here. You're in trouble, Paul. Chris.
What the fuck is she saying?
Paul. Come on.
Oh, you need to let you out. Let's go along with it.
I'm a witness. Get it. No, you're gonna get it.
What the fuck?
I don't need to leave. Don't tell it to me. You attack me tonight, you better look. Now you're right. I got all the video.
Bro, she can't. Oh, I thought she wasn't able to get out.
No, break a wall.
Okay, I'm gonna go touch your mom and your dad. Then they that's the story. Go in there and cut them up and expose your dad.
Go, you dumbass. Get out of there, you dumbass. Go.
Dude, what even the fuck was she saying? I couldn't even understand.
This TikToker writes, a man showed up to my porch and dropped something. I called my boys, and this is what I
he
caught
got
my
that
son
Rugrats,
saying on
dude.
my Ring camera.
He got that drip, bro. The Rugrats drip.
The door locked.
I got the key.
Where you trying to get?
Shit, ain't shit in here. Oh. My fault, Mom. It's the top lock. Oh, this the wrong key.
Hold on, so what's going on? Is this their house or like someone else?
She locked both of the doors.
My boy's struggling, bro. He can't find the right key. You gotta turn. Come on now, bro. Lefty.
McAllister just went down there. He said something? No.
Wait, so.
To where? To where? Where my kid? On the house. Where? Look. Girl, I'm going down. Look.
Wait, so I'm so lost right now, dude. Oh, they just ran off.
Where he at?
That's motherfuckers just ran off.
You see anybody with a gray hoodie on?
Oh, so are they trying to find someone that was like at... Bro, I don't... Someone explain that video in the comments. I'm so slow for not understanding that.
This scumbag attempted to enter this house, but unfortunately for them, the alarm got activated.
Oh no. Oh no. So...
The soon-to-be victim ran so fast that the camera didn't even pick him up leaving.
Damn. Number 5. Good old 5.
According to the uploader, the guy in this video had previously tried to break into their house. He has not been identified to this day.
Oh yeah? Why is that, huh? Dude, these people never wear masks. I never understood that. Like, you're literally just playing yourself on camera. He's just peeking, bro. He wants to see what's going down in there, you know? He just ran off. He gone. Oh, he's peeking back? Oh, he's doing this to like every house, I think. This is some Michael Myers type shit, bro. He's gotta like peek and like sneak and see what's going on. So like, did he just? All right. So, dude, some people are just creepy.
When this guy was caught trying to break into this house in broad daylight, he was confronted by the homeowner. He then gives one of the worst excuses you'll hear in a while, saying that he thought this was his house.
His house, huh?
Fuck is that nigga? Hey, yo, what you need?
My bad, I thought this was my house.
Why are you trying to open the door?
Because I thought it was my fault.
Hey, get out of here, bro.
Alright.
Bro's gone. Don't.
I don't know.
He need to lay off there. Nope. Honestly, bro. Oh my god. Damn, that's loud. That shit loud as hell, bro.
Ahí está parado afuera el pendejo.
It's crazy. Number 3.
This guy was caught stealing from this homeowner who had just moved into the place less than a month ago.
Alright, what's going on here? What's going on? Yo. Oh no. Bro, I don't like this. So like, but I thought he was doing something else for a second. I'm not even going to say it. I'm not even going to say it. So what's going on here? He's just walking off, bro. Oh shit, so this is the other camera? He walking like he owns the place, bro. He's like, this is my territory, boy. This is my territory. Fuck out of here. That's crazy.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Oh shit. I know his heart dropped when he heard that, bro. I know his heart dropped when he heard that.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Holy shit. Yo. I'm gonna laugh if he trips, bro. So what even was in the suitcase? Like, did he just take some random shit? Hi, you're currently being recorded. So wait, what's going on right now? Did he just dip? I mean, the camera's just staying in place, so I'm assuming something's about to happen. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. It's crazy, bro.
In Pembroke Pines, Florida, an unknown man is seen walking up to a house. He wiggles the doorknob and tries to get in, but thankfully is unable to do so.
I mean, what was he expecting? Like, to just go to a random house and it'd be unlocked? Like, I never understood what these people expect. Yeah, he heard the dog barking and now he's like... God, bro, some people are just so... Like, dude, it's crazy to think that there's people just walking without, like, a mind, you know? Like, they're not even...
Hello?
They have no control over their actions, if that makes sense. Like, they're literal psychopaths. Yeah, that's how psychopaths work, guys.
Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will
shock you. They're not fully there, if that makes sense. Number 1.
A Ring doorbell video shows a break-in happening at this house in the Iowa City area.
Oh. So what's going on here? Oh shit. I have no idea what's going on, but...
Thanks for watching.